Hey everybody, welcome back to today's video. So in today's video we have Boxycharm and Ipsy, as you can tell by the title. So we're going to start with Ipsy today. There's nothing else in the package, and this is what the bag looks like. It's so cute. It's got a little tassel here. This is actually one of the better bags. If you are new to Ipsy and Boxycharm unboxings with me, we go through them and decide whether or not things are cruelty free and not cruelty free, and then we keep them or don't. We pass them along. So and that comes up at the end of the video. So the first thing we have, I love getting brushes. This is a brush. It's from Goodnight, and it's kind of interesting. It's like red, like a concealer brush. Oh, it's from Lexi. So this is cruelty free. It's really soft. I'm really excited about this. So it's from Lexi, and Lexi happens to be in a lot of these packages, and they're actually really nice brushes. So we have Benefit Hula. Benefit is not cruelty free, but this is actually a really good product. Let's just open it and show you the size. So that's what it looks like. It's like a nice perfect travel size, so that'll be nice for somebody else. So sometimes we know stuff right off the bat, and if it's something new then we don't know, and we can go from there. This is a Douceur cheek blush. I'm not sure if Douceur is cruelty free, but we will double check. So that is that. If I already know, I put it to the side, and so far Benefit is not cruelty free. And we have, I think it's Haveda. This one is a weightless smoothing cream. I think it's for your hair. It doesn't really have ingredients, but it says it's not tested on animals. Now, just because it says it's not tested on animals doesn't mean like the whole process is it. That can just mean that the final product isn't. So we will double check on that. And then lastly in here is a face primer. Thank Me Later face primer mattifying from Elizabeth Mott. And if I can remember, Elizabeth Mott is not cruelty free. So far we have a little bit of knowledge about that. Boxycharm. So we have Laura Geller, and I am so excited about this because Laura Geller is cruelty free. It's a blush, and it's a baked blush and brighten Tropic Hues. So that's what that looks like. Very, very pretty. Swatch it. Yep, nice, beautiful swatch. So that is cruelty free. We have some brushes from, I'm not sure what this brand is, but I will look on the paper in here, double check. So we'll see, just to see for sure. Lemure Cosmetics. With 100% synthetic fibers. These brushes are extremely soft, durable, and essential to your brush collection. The flat fiber brush effortlessly applies color on your lids, while the fluffy blender brush can be used to seamlessly blend color together. And we have the blush from. We also have a Mark and Henry. Oh, I just had seen Tati talk about this. This is quite interesting, the way it's kind of shaped. I'm like a little bit nervous to open it. Is it a gloss? I think it's a gloss. Oh, it is. So this is a liquid lipstick. Have your cake and wear it too. $13 value. Smells like cake. Now, if you've been with me for a minute, you know that I'm not really a big fan of liquid lipsticks, but we can definitely try it. I can already tell it's kind of drying on my hand, but oh well. The packaging of this is quite genius. It looks like a lipstick, almost like someone twisted their lipstick up too far into the lid. But it looks really cool, so that one we will double check on. Put it with our Douceur. And we have a Butter London. This is cruelty free. Ooh, it's a roll-on liner. I am so excited to try this. Oh, geez. This is going to be quite interesting. literally rolls. Oh, the swatch section is not very good, but it's definitely a roll-on, reminiscent of the MAC one. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited to try that just for complete curiosity purposes. And then the last thing is something from Pretty Vulgar, and this is the Pretty Vulgar What's an eyeshadow palette? Stoked! That's really pretty. That is like super awesome. This is a $35 value, so just this palette alone you know, surpasses the, oh my gosh, well, there's gonna be a video on this palette alone. This is beautiful. When I've seen these in the past, I have been like, why are they shaped like that? That looks so weird, but I'm like looking at it right now and it doesn't bother me at all. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 mattes, a satin, some shimmers and other satins. Oh my gosh, this is really pretty. Mega stoked about this, people. Mega stoked. This is really pretty. Okay, so let me go ahead and recap, and we will go through everything that is and isn't cruelty free. And yes, be right back, people. Okay, so we are alright. So a quick week recap. Today I've been using a couple different ones. Sometimes some have more information than others. So this is the Beauty Without Bunnies. It's by PETA. So that's you can get an app for it. So benefit is definitely not. They are sold and tested in China. So I mean, they could be made in China, but if they are going to be sold in China, is a completely different story. So I didn't find very much information about this product. It just says it says not tested on animals, but that doesn't necessarily mean that the process isn't. That could just mean the final product isn't. So I'm not really care about that. So far we only have 2 things that are not. And actually I'm gonna check Luxy really quick. So what you do in this app, not sponsored by anybody, but I just thought I'd let you know, is you just type in the brand name of this and then it tells you yes or no. Sometimes they will tell you that it's not on there yet. So Luxy is cruelty free. I'm gonna type this into this app one more time and see if it comes up with anything. I wish Ipsy you had a booklet like Boxycharm does, as I dropped it on the floor, to tell you. So let me try it in a different way. So yeah, I can't find any information about that. So those products are going to go away. So let's talk about the ones that are cruelty free. We have Butter London is cruelty free, and oh my gosh, I'm so excited to try this because I've been wanting to try one. And then our Luxy brush, that is cruelty free. Douceur is cruelty free. I have a couple of their products already. Really nice. And then this brush set is definitely cruelty free. I think I have some stuff from them before, but I love getting brushes. I mean, I feel like I could have a million brushes. And then Laura Geller. And this company is cruelty free. This Hank and Henry thing, but I've tried it here on my hand and it's really dry, so I'm not sure I'm gonna really like this, so I will pass it along to someone who will. And Elizabeth Mott is cruelty free. I must have been mistaken with something else, but it is cruelty free. And then definitely Pretty Vulgar this is the thing I'm most excited about. I feel like when you get the big things, they're the most exciting. So far so good. We only have 2 things in this section that are not cruelty free. One we're not so sure about, but so far we could probably just say we only have 1. And they used to be cruelty free until they moved to China, so it's pretty much their own fault. So and yeah, look kind of negative. Anyhow, so I'm just gonna let you guys go right now, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did like it, give it a thumbs up if this was helpful to you, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave if you already haven't. And we will talk to you guys in the next one. Have a good one. Bye.